So within iOS 27, for devices that have the Apple Intelligence, feature, we have this new Siri search option. So if you swipe down where Spotlight Search used to be, you can see the dynamic island kind of starts getting bigger, and you have this new search or ask portion that comes up here. So this is replacing Spotlight Search. So Spotlight Search, you could basically just search for applications or files, and it would search for it. Now with search or ask, this allows us to go through and now kind of not only search for applications and different things like that, but allows us to also ask questions. So if I wanted to find the Siri application, for example, I can start typing in Siri like this, and I can find the Siri application, I can find the settings within Siri and all these other options. But I can also ask it questions. I can say, what does the Siri application do? And now what it's going to do is it's going to start utilizing that Siri portion in the background, and it's going to actually start. All right, that's enough of that. Now it's going to start going through and actually start upgrading its version, and it's going to start actually telling me what Siri does. It's going to start answering the question. On previous versions of Spotlight, it wouldn't really do that. It would just basically allow you to just kind of search for those things, and at best maybe it'll show you a Google search. But now it actually gives you a full prompt and allows you to type in a lot more information and see a lot more things here too. So it's a lot of cool stuff. That's essentially how you use it. You swipe down, you're able to search for different things that way, and that's essentially how you do it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.